The benefits of 3D design are well proven, but with the many interrelated parts, assemblies, drawings, and supporting documentation, one major pitfall is the explosion of data. To manage changes, many designers will copy entire projects, creating redundant data and confusion. The more changes and the larger your design team, the greater the chaos. You wind up wasting critical time searching for files that are misplaced, overwritten, or even deleted. So, what can you do to make it better? Enter SOLIDWORKS Enterprise Product Data Management. Enterprise PDM gives you a centralized vault and design file management tools so that everyone across your organization can access the most current data in a consistent way. You eliminate file redundancy and clutter. Everything is indexed, so finding the right file is fast and easy. And with Enterprise PDM's intelligent versioning and revisioning, if you make a mistake, reverting to a previous design is no sweat. With all your data in one central location, backups become effortless, and you can set security so that only the people you want have access to your files whenever they need them. Even if your design team is spread around multiple locations, Enterprise PDM gives them quick access to your data. Data stores could be replicated locally and synced automatically for instant access from anywhere in the world. In addition, Enterprise PDM provides a higher level of productivity and collaboration through its automated workflows. Data is routed throughout your entire organization, and critical information is delivered directly to your design team. Automatic notifications and a streamlined approval process remove bottlenecks, and you always know the status of your projects. The best part is that no matter the size of your organization, Enterprise PDM is easy to deploy and easy to use. It works directly in Windows and uses familiar commands like File Open and Save As. With Enterprise PDM, you put your energy into your design instead of wrestling with data. Bring the power of product data management to your design process. Call your local SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit www.solidworks.com/EPDM. Gain control, speed access, optimize processes. SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM.